Okay, this is the first in a series of a few gifts that I have. This is my post-birthday giveaway. A couple weeks ago was my birthday and I had some giveaways, and I had a couple of things that I had forgotten to put up here on the internet, on Facebook and YouTube for giveaway. There are things that were kind of important to me. So a bunch of stuff went down when I was around the time of my birthday and I just forgot. So here they are, chance for you to win again because it was my birthday. First thing, I had a Barnes & Noble giveaway that I enjoyed. Learned a lot about some books, so I wanted to share the books that are special to me and give everybody a chance to win one. The first one is Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance by Robert M. Pirsig. Great book. Changed my life, and it's one of those books where you tell people, if you want to understand a little more about who I am, read this book because it gives good insights into the way I feel about my own life. So to win this book, very simply, in the comments, please share with me a Zen comment, a Zen thought. Share with me a one-liner piece of advice, some kind of quotable that you really enjoy. Funny, humorous, insulting, or thought-provoking, teaching. A one-liner piece of Zen philosophy that you like. And that's how you win this book. Ready, set, go.